My name is Naufal, and I'm the founder and CEO of BantuSkripsi. We're the Han Academy of Indonesia. Isn't it ironic when supposedly education makes humans wiser, but in reality, the last step becomes the biggest obstacle in human life, which can lead to many problems? Welcome to Indonesia, where thesis or final paper is a common trigger to suicide. Our research shows that 95% of college students need help studying their thesis. Like Han Academy, but with a focused subject and a specific subject, we offer an online class, an online forum, and a private tutoring platform. Our vision is to become the first one-stop solution platform in Indonesia for final year college students who are making thesis. So, we use Line platform, which has 171 million active users per month to gain traction. And what do? We provide a free online consultation forum. In that forum, we offer users our products such as an online class, which can be accessed through our website. And we also do an online seminar where we invite some speakers, such as experts or universities alumnus, to share their knowledge regarding thesis-related content. If some users need further individual support, then they can ask for a private tutoring. So far, we have done 2 times online seminar, where we have a growth of 115% participant monthly. Online class is expected to be a 325 billion market by 2025. In Indonesia, college students contribute to 12.8% of total student population. By number, there are around 5.2 million college students every year. So far, our total available market is around $860 million annually. As for competition, there is one big shot, which is named ruangguru.com, where they provide an online class and an online platform, tutoring platform, but they have not yet targeted the college student. So basically, okay, thank you.